Hello students, good morning. Today we are going to discuss about the binomial nomenclature. This is a system of naming the species which are classified on the basis of similar and dissimilar characteristics, as we were studying in the classification and taxonomy. So students, as the name clear that binomial, what? Binomial. Bi means two, and nomial means two giving name. Then it literally means to giving name of a species which is based on their genus and species. Hence, this system of nomenclature, it means to give the name of an organism, is known as binomial nomenclature. Before going to know more about binomial nomenclature, first we are going to discuss who and when this concept was given. So students, as per the classification and taxonomy, the binomial nomenclature was also given by Carolus Linnaeus. Yes students, Carolus Linnaeus in 1751 gave the concept to give the name of an organism on the basis of their genus and species. That's why this is called the binomial name, or biological name, or zoological name, or botanical name. So students, the first name is genus, based upon genus, and called generic name. What? The genus name is known as generic name, and the second name was based upon the species. The species are called specific name. Yes, as we human also divided to many division. As for example, many categories: general category, OBC, SC, ST, like that. Likewise, and in each category there are several races. Likewise, in the living world, it means in the number of animal and in the number of plant species, there are several species are included whose and specific name, or you can say that international name, is given on the behalf of this binomial nomenclature system. Then here I am going to tell you some example how the binomial name of different species, some flora and some fauna, are given. So, example number 1, and you all of you were introduced by this example in class 10. You all of you studied about the plant in the chapter where the principle and heredity, the pea plant. Yes, very good. Pea, onion, Next to the P, garlic, mustard. Mainly there are two colors of mustard, the yellow mustard and mustard black mustard. So these are the name of some plants. Beside them, wheat, I also take wheat, rice, and one more, potato, that we usually used in day-to-day life. So more familiar names I taken here. First, talk about P. The binomial name of the P is Pisum sativum. Pisum sativum is the generic name and sativum is the species name. Here I also write this is the genus and this is the species. It indicates genus name and that indicates species name. Next, onion. Allium cepa. What is the name of onion? Allium cepa is the binomial name of onion, or you can say that these are the plants. So you can also use the term botanical name based on binomial nomenclature. Garlic, Allium sativum. Yes, students, Allium site or Allium sativum is the botanical name of garlic. Mustard, Brassica campestris. What is, students? Brassica campestris. The genus name of the mustard is Brassica, whereas the species name is campestris. Next, this is the name of yellow mustard. Now the black mustard, Brassica nigra. What is, students? Brassica nigra. Wheat, Triticum avestium. Is the botanical name of the wheat. Rice, Oryza sativa is the botanical name of rice. Now potato. Tuberum solanacea. Tuberum solanaceum is the botanical name of or biological name of potato. Now students, let's some example from the animal kingdom. So here I taken frog. First, snake, that is called Indian cobra. Here the snake I take the Indian cobra. Cow, tiger, lion, so the name of frog is Rana tigrina. species. Now snake, and what type of snake? Indian cobra. So its name is Nazana. Nazana. Now student, cow, Bos domestica. Bos domestica. Tiger, Panthera, tigress. Next, lion, Panthera, Leo. What is students? Leo, yeah. Leo is also a tarot name. Panthera, Leo. Now more example from some insects are kept. So here I take cockroach and some type of worm like liverpool, earthworm, like that. Many more example can be taken. Cockroach, Periplaneta americana, Periplaneta americana. Next, liverpool, Fasciola hepatica. What is students? Its genus name is Fasciola and species name is hepatica. Now students, earthworm, the farmer's friend, Heretiuma posthuma, Heretiuma posthuma. Like that students, the binomial name of the different plant and animal species can be given. One thing more important, and I will also discuss in next lecture about why I draw underline on their genus and species name. Then students, it is necessary to underline the generic and species name because it is mentioned by ICBM and ICZN, International Committee of Biological Nomenclature, or you can say that botanical or zoological nomenclature. So students, the underline is given on the name of the genus and species when we write the international, when we write this these names in international system of nomenclature. Thanks students for joining today's lecture.